It's turning out to be a bigger scam. Perhaps the biggest intelligence bungling. The biggest intelligence scam so far, without doubt. Tonight, Times Now has fresh documents which show that while the blame is being put only on one official, the extent of the rot in the NTRO, India's top technical intelligence gathering agency, is more widespread, with sources even telling us of a possible major cover-up.
So did you recommend the dismissal of
the man who heads India's answer to America's National Security Agency, the NTRO, refusing to answer that a multi-crore scam at the agency just turned bigger. This on a day when reports suggest that MS Vijayaraghavan, second in command at the NTRO, might be dismissed.
Vijayaraghavan, he's a number 2 there. He's an advisor of NTRO. He is involved. He is engaged in a lot of irregularities, in procurement irregularities, as well as recruitment irregularities. So Vijayaraghavan and this NTRO, why they are supporting Vijayaraghavan in the after objection of CAG?
There are fresh documents that show just how the second in command at the NTRO misused his position.
Times Now has access to RTI application, both filed by a former NTRO employee in 2009, asking pointed questions from the NTRO and Society for Electronic Transactions and Security, an NGO based in Chennai, about how Vijayaraghavan was allowed to be a part of an NGO while still holding a position in a government office. Also, how he was allowed to misuse official fund for his personal purpose, including the misuse of official accommodation.
Times Now tracked down the NGO where the intelligence official works and found that Vijayaraghavan held only an honorary position and had quit a long time back.
He's not the representative. Only Mr. Balsubramanian is there. Okay. Okay. Vijayaraghavan is not there. He was there before. He was there before. He appeared from Nairobi.
But Vijayaraghavan's ouster, if it were to happen, might just turn out to be the smokescreen.
Sources are telling Times Now that there could be a bigger cover-up to protect the current NTRO chairperson, that is Vijayaraghavan's boss, to avoid even bigger names from coming out.
What makes these reports more credible is when your channel found out that one of the main whistleblowers in the scam, Suresh Sharma, who has worked with the NTRO for 37 years, was demoted and transferred to Bangalore once he tried to expose the bungling.
Sir, sorry to bother you, but there is this NTRO scam, NTRO recruitment and procurement scam that is going on in Rajasthan. Will you find it out for me? The Prime Minister's office is getting a report on that.
Top sources in the security establishment say that it was the Prime Minister who overruled all objections of intelligence agencies and ordered an inquiry into the NTRO scam last year. In fact, it was the Prime Minister who took up the offer of the CAG, which had received a complaint from a whistleblower.
It is a scam that is believed to have compromised the very security of the nation. The government might have to go beyond its usual selective stance and answer some tough questions. Bureau Report, Times Now.